thing I could tell you is to write it down or sign in as a guest. Catherine, you're signed in as a guest? Okay. All right, here we go. Number 1. Whoa, sorry. Okay. 11 of the 13 of you have responded. There we go. Closing the polling. Congrats, you're all in the right ballpark. Number 2. Well, that's annoying. Number 2. All right, you've all voted. You are all in the right ballpark. I am going to close the polling. Number 3.
It's in your baseball bag. Do you have a key? Do you have a key? Do you have a key?
Come on. Everyone keeps changing their answer. Should I close the polling? Claire, you deleted your answer. The simple question is, do you hear a tritone? If you do, you better not have answered augmented. Closing the polling. Number 4. Do you know what this chord is? No? It is not F minor. No. No minor. Nobody's even answered minor. Everyone but 2 are in the right ballpark. 1 hasn't answered and 1's just wrong. I'm talking to my class. No. Would you like us to talk about you? What should we talk about you? Alright, I am going to close the polling before more people miss this. Alright, on we go. Number 5. Whoa. Alright, everyone has answered. I am now going to close the polling. Woo-hoo! 92%. That's an A.
I'm so glad I changed my answer last second.
I'm so glad you did as well.
Because I was listening and I was like, nah, it wants to go down a little bit. Root doesn't want to do that.
I thought of you, John. Every time.
Alright, on we go. We are on question number 6. Whoa. Wrong button. Can you still not hear Titus? Can you hear Titus?
I can't hear.
Why can't you hear?
Just try leaving.
We can hear you. You can hear me talking or no? Alright, we're in 3 different ballparks right now. Can you hear now, Titus?
Okay.
Titus, you with us?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Okay. All right. I'm going to close the polling. Now would be the right time to get rid of your awful answers. It was stacked evenly. Number 7. Everybody but one has answered. Everybody has answered. Everybody's in the right ballpark. I'm going to close the polling. Number 8. Missing 4 of you. Good news, everyone's in the right ballpark. Bad news, 5 of you are going to get it wrong. I'm going to close the polling. Number 9. All right, everybody but one of you is in the right ballpark. Somebody took your answer off. Okay, I'm closing the polling. Only 2 of you got it wrong. Hip, hip.
The really high upper range ones are hard to hear sometimes.
Yeah. I didn't like it either. I thought, I should play that an octave lower.
Find it easier than the really low ones.
Says the soprano player to the tuba player. Oh, wait, that didn't sound good. Soprano player. The sopranist.
I play the cello too.
Oh, okay. Number 10. Is it evenly stacked? Or is there a bigger interval? If you're evenly stacked, you're in root. If your wide gap's on the top, you're in first. If your wide gap's on the bottom, you're in second. If you hear a fourth, here comes the bride, you're in an inversion. If you don't, you're in root. Everybody's in the right ballpark. I'm gonna close the polling. Fourth was on the top.
It's harder to hear that in minor, but
Yeah. Number 11. All right. 2 of you have not voted. 2 of you are in the wrong ballpark. We're now in the right ballpark except for one of you. And one of you hasn't voted. Here we go. Going to close the polling.
Trying to hear that miso dough. Just
You just squeaked it in, didn't you? Nice little answer change at the right time. Fourth on the top. All right, here we go. We're on 12. For those of you that get diminished and augmented mixed up, here's a little clue for you. If we're in augmented, it's going to be evenly spaced. If we're in diminished first or second, it will not. If we're in diminished root, it will also be evenly spaced, but you'll have a tritone. If you're in augmented, it will just want to kick down to major like normal, right? Three of you haven't voted. 2 of you are in the wrong ballpark. All right, we're going to have to go fast because we're running out of time. Closing the polling.
so it was first or it was root?
It was second. Diminished second. Number 13.
It's saying I have a content download failure and it's not letting me answer.
What?
It's like,
What about on the web? Can you go to Turning Technologies and log in on the web?
try. Where's my mouse? There you are.
All right, so I'm just missing 2 of your votes. All but 3 of you are in the right ballpark. Now everybody's changing their answer. Crazy. Go back. You had it. All right, Catherine, what's your status update?
I'm in it, and I've answered.
I don't have a record of your... Oh, there you are.
Okay, you scared me.
You're the new Catherine Forbes, but this is going to cause a problem. We're going to have to merge 2 scores.
Yeah,
But
that's why I put my last name on this one.
Okay. Closing the polling. All right. Number 14. Five of you have not voted. One more. Gonna close the polling. We're all in the right ballpark. $15.
You just need to write a book relating all contemporary songs to each chord. Become famous.
I gave a presentation on it yesterday at a national conference. You could check it out on the Doc B Theory website or YouTube channel. I'm sure you'll be invigorated.
I wasn't sure if you were kidding or not.
I'm dead serious. I had to get up at 6:15 a.m. It was actually pre-recorded, but I had to man all the comments in the chat.
It's on YouTube?
It's on
Okay.
the Doc Pete channel.
Cool.
All right. 2 of you have not voted. 1 of you is in the wrong ballpark. This is your last call. Minor second. Number 16. 2 of you have not voted. Okay, closing the polling. Number 18. 17, sorry, 17. All right. Last call. Closing the polling. Number 18.
Do we get points if we're in the ballpark, but not the actual thing?
For real.
You
I was
don't.
thinking the exact same thing. Just a little sliver.
I could set that up.
Well,
Please.
Terraria gives you 50% if you get it like minor, but you don't get the inversion.
Ah, we should do something like that. That'd be cool. It's not gonna happen today, though.
It would be really cool.
It's a good idea. Maybe next time. I know how to do it. I just got to do it. All right. 3 of you in the wrong ballpark, and 1 of you hasn't voted. Everyone has voted. I am closing the polling. Number 19. Everyone has voted. Everyone's in the right ballpark. Gonna close the polling. All right, last one.
Have you played the same chord more than twice?
I don't know, have I? There's been 20 questions I had to have. There's only 10 chords. All but 3 of you are in the right ballpark. One of you has not voted. All right, everyone's voted. I'm going to close the polling and end your misery. Or make it worse. I don't know. Boom, boom, boom,
I almost changed my answer. I'm glad I didn't.
I did too. I was sitting there and I was like,
I
is
did
it
change my
root?
answer, but then I put it back.
I hate you, John.
I was like, is it root or is it first? And I was like, then it's first. And I feel better now.
Excellent.
The other two I didn't change when I should have, though.
The major one where I was sitting there, I was like, it's probably C, but I'm gonna trust my gut and go with B. And then I was wrong, crushed me.
We did worse than last time, class.
Word.
We got 55% this time, and you were at 59 last time.
Is that because there's more people here?
I don't know. It might be because you split the score between 2 people, and one of them got like 30%, and the other one got... I don't know. The average score was 55%.
Yeah, can you please implement the you're in the ballpark so you don't get nearly as much
I can't
stress.
on this one.
Yeah, I understand, but for future...
45%, 95%.
Sheesh.
Come on, man.
What did I get?
95%, 80%, 70%.
I wonder who that 95 is.
It's Ethan, obviously.
40%.
It's either Ethan or Hannah.
50%, 60%, 65%, 25%, 40%. 50%,
Ethan's really averaging us out here with that 95.
10. So there you go. All right. Have a good weekend. Be safe. I will fix the Aurelia thing. Forgot to do that last night. Thank you, Pete. Dictation should be good to go. When does Chapter 10 videos due?
Sunday.
Okay. Don't forget your Chapter 10 videos. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Remember who you were and what you stood for, and we will see you Monday or Tuesday. Practice.
Thanks, Doc.
All righty.
Hey, Dr. Bascom, I don't have any emails from you.
Thanks, Doc.
You're welcome. Well, let me tell you what email you have on file with us.
Okay.
And maybe that will solve our problem. This is like the third thing we've taken with this format, so I don't know what to tell you.
What happened with the morning class?
They got a worse average, although a lot of them did do better, which was nice, but a few of them did worse.
So how this is going to work is basically if we get a higher score, you're just going to put that in instead?
Yeah.
And if we don't, it just stays the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Oh, yeah, that's perfect, actually. It's what I
Fine
figured
by
you were
me.
going to do. I was just being extra clear.
Let me take the roll. And then we'll start. Skylar is here. Preston is here. Yvonne. Bryce is here. Max is here. Marissa. She's probably still in my last class. She wasn't responding. Isaac is here. Christian is here. Zach is here. Trevor is here. Connor is here. Harley is here. So missing Marissa and Yvonne. Okay, the session is ear training 12. I have 8 of you here. That means I'm missing 3 of you.
And you did put the flowchart in the files, right?
I don't know that I did.
I think you did. I'm gonna double check.
Let me put it here, and you guys can take a screenshot. Is that all right?
Triad flowchart.
Is it there?
Is it just yes, no, yeah, it looks like it's here. Yep.
Oh, look at that. I did something I said I was going to do.
I was gonna share my screen just to be double sure, but I'm pretty sure it's the right one.
This is what I got.
Yeah, that's the right one.
So if you want a screenshot, take your screenshot now. And then we'll rock. I've got 10 of you. All right. Eleven of you. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are all here. Here we go. Number 1. Make sure you turn your cameras on for academic integrity. I have 9 responses. Everybody's in the right ballpark. 1 of you is missing. There we go. All right, I'm going to close the polling. Fourth was on the bottom.
Here comes the sun. Do 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 do.
All right, here we go. Number 2. Bryce, where are you? There you are.
I'm signed in as a guest.
No, I see you. I just didn't see your face.
I have to exit the app to get to the turn-in technology.
Oh, that's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it sucks.
Well, are you on a computer or are you on a phone?
On a phone.
Okay. Zach, you're the only one that has not answered. Is that what you want to go with?
That means it's wrong.
I didn't say that. Would I play 2 of the same chord, same inversion in a row? All right, everyone has voted. Everyone is in the same right ballpark. I'm going to close the polling.
Answer that question. Yes, you would, but you didn't.
Good thing he changed his answer.
I got mine at B the whole time. I don't know what you mean.
The 4th is on the top. Okay, here we go. Number 3. If we are augmented, we are evenly stacked. If we are diminished root, we are evenly stacked. If we are diminished inversion, there's a bigger spacing. If that bigger spacing's on the bottom, we're in second inversion. If that bigger spacing's on the top, we're in first inversion. If you hear a tritone, you should not answer augmented.
Or minor.
Why did you change your answer?
Wait. Tritone is on top or bottom. Top, it's first inversion, and if the tritone's on bottom, it's second inversion.
Correct.
Okay.
I still struggle with hearing this, by the way.
I thought you were automatic on this one.
No, I am automatic on the augmented.
All right, I'm going to close my polling. Okay.
Wait, was it the first or second
It
version?
was the second inversion.
Dang.
Okay, here we go. Number 4. All right, we are in 3 different ballparks. Going to close the polling. Augmented.
Are you also going to share your screen for the choices, or no?
Did I not share my screen?
No, you did not.
Whoa. How long has my screen not been shared?
This whole time.
This whole time?
Yeah.
That's not good.
That is very no bueno.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't think about it until just now. I'm sorry.
Are you seeing the answer choices, though?
Yes. I can see them on my screen regardless.
I'm sorry. Are you seeing them now?
Yes, I'm seeing them on your screen now with the correct answers and such with the answers. use.
Well, maybe that was my problem. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's just entirely your fault. It's something Ben would say.
Right. Right.
That's what he said to me on multiple occasions.
Okay, so you're seeing them now. But you saw them all along on your devices.
Yeah, they show up on our screens. I ask what kind
Oh, I
of
don't
triad
feel so
it is.
bad now. Just a little bit now. All right, here we go. Numbers 5. Missing 2 votes. Everybody's in the right ballpark. Closing the polling. You should have gotten that. Phantom or Dr. Dre right there for you.
Or Weezer.
No.
Oh wait, I thought you were talking about the just the both of the inversions. My bad.
All right, number 6. Missing 2 votes. Everybody but 1 is in the right ballpark. Everyone has voted. I'm closing the polling.
I just played myself.
All right, on we go to number 7. Welcome, Marissa. We are on question 7 of 20 of an exam. The login ID, session ID is eartraining12 through turning.com or the Turning Point app. Hopefully you can join us. Number 7.
Time is it?
12:15.
It's game time. That's what time it is. It's game time. All right, everyone has voted. Everybody except for 1 is in the right ballpark. I am going to close the polling.
Okay, I'm extra dumb today. Wow. I don't know how I heard minor.
Number 8. Everyone's in the right ballpark. Closing the polling. It's just a minor root, evenly spaced. Number 9. Waiting on one of you. Closing the polling. Okay, number 10.
You did that to mess with me, by the way. I know you did.
I don't know what you're referring to. Missing 2 of your votes, 1 of your votes. All right, everyone has voted. Gonna close the polling. Number 11. Forever. All right. Closing the polling. Number 12. Zach, where are you? You're the only one who has not voted. All right. Everyone's voted. We're in 3 different ballparks. And I'm going to close the polling. Look at those results. Is there a tritone? Yes, there is. So major's out, minor's out, augmented's out.
Could you play a first version right next to that second version? Because I don't know how I keep hearing them. They sound like they're just the same. Unfortunately, that song doesn't apply to me because I don't listen to a whole lot of hip hop or R&B. I just don't. Like
Number 13. One of you hasn't voted. We're in 2 different ballparks. 3 now. 3 different ballparks. Closing the polling.
Are you picking these just to like throw me off?
Nope. I've got it already picked.
Oh wait, I actually got that answer right. I thought I picked augmented for some reason.
25% of the class picked augmented. Number 14. Everybody's in the right ballpark. Missing one vote. Closing the polling. Number 15. Everybody but one is in the right ballpark. Now everybody but two is in the right ballpark. There we go. Don't change it. Gonna close the polling. All right. 16. All right, everyone has voted. Closing the polling.
I even thought to myself, man, I should change my answer, but I'm gonna not play myself again and just stick with what I've got.
You played yourself by not playing yourself.
Yes.
Number 17. All right, everyone has voted. Closing the polling. Oh, someone got a change in there right last second. All right, 18. All but 2 are in the right ballpark, and one of you hasn't voted. Everyone has voted. I'm going to close the polling. Nice switch at the end there.
I had to change it around just to see if you would say, okay, now there's only one. Psychological warfare.
Number 19. One of you has not voted. Everyone has voted. Gonna close the polling. All right, last question. Two of you have not voted. Everyone has voted. We're in 3 different ballparks. I'm gonna close the polling. Tritone is on top. All right, how'd we do?
I did worse by 2 questions, which makes me
I
feel
did
wonderful.
better than last time.
Makes me feel great. I even studied a lot more than I did for the last one. It just doesn't matter.
Oh no. I don't know if it's saved. Hold on. It crashed on me. This would not be good, would it?
Definitely not.
Hold on. That's here. Okay, we did an average of 58.75%, which was 3% better than the morning class today. Just under a 0.25% worse, probably, than how they did the first time. Our scores. Somebody from Buzzards Bay, Massachusetts is calling me. I don't know anybody from Buzzards Bay. 50%.
Probably a scam.
85%. 75%. 40%. 65%. 60. 60. 25. 65. 80. 65, 35. You stayed the same.
We all did? We just did relatively the same, or?
No, the friend that messaged me in the chat.
Yeah, I did worse by like 2 questions.
Okay.
It's okay. I automatically miss 7, so.
Yeah, that was what happens when you stop paying attention in my piano class, and then I yell at you, "Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?" And then I have no idea where you are, and then you forget to come to this class. I'm going to start giving quizzes at the end of class. Make sure people stay engaged, pay attention. Don't go to the gym and forget about me when they're doing their leg squats.
Sorry.
All right, so some of you are doing well, and some of you are in the ballpark, just missing the inversion. The other class said, hey, can we get partial credit if we're in the ballpark? I think there's a way for me to set that up. I'll have to look into it. I'm pretty sure I can do it. But yeah, I was definitely hoping that we were going to do a lot better.
Yeah, me too.
But there are a lot more passing scores. I'm really proud of one of you that did awesome. Got 85. Another one of you stayed right where you were. Another one of you did in the 80s, but I don't think you were here last time, so that's good. You got 80. Good job. You're welcome. I'm looking. Sorry, just responding to a few people in the chat. Okay. This weekend we have our chapter 10 videos, which are rhythm videos. We have a dictation. I will put up your Aurelia quiz today. I haven't done it yet, but I will get it done today during my office hour. So those are the 3 things that we have going for this weekend. Where did we struggle on this quiz?
Same thing as usual, major and diminished. I just have no idea why I struggle so much with them.
I feel like I can do major and minor. It's the diminished I'm struggling with.
Okay.
Major second inversions, specifically, I do okay with.
Ray Charles.
Because I just hear the Beatles every time. It almost every time. I messed up on it once.
Okay.
I still just have no idea why I struggle so much with these. I practice them. I don't get any better.
Okay, so major. You're listening. We're in first inversion. I want you to listen for mi so do, which is I love you a bushel and a peck. Can you hear that there's a wider distance on the top?
Between root first version? Yeah, sort of. It sounds like it's... I can hear the spread out. It's just hard to place where it is. It's hard to hear it throughout the whole triad.
Okay. So if you can hear the spread out, and you really know, here comes the sun, you know it's got to be first. It's not here comes the sun, and it's not root because you can hear the spread out. So by process of elimination, you know that's first inversion.
Right.
And then to reinforce that, to check your work, you're going to say, all right, is that mi so do? I love you a bushel and a peck. There it is, first inversion. You've got the tools, you just got to use them.
Right.
All right, diminished. If it's root, the shell is the tritone, and it's evenly stacked. First inversion has the tritone on the top. And this is the one that I play that wants to resolve down chromatically. But second inversion wants to resolve down to a major key. To me, and you might hear it differently.
Yeah, I can kind of hear that.
But it doesn't want to resolve to major and root. It's major and first. Tritones on the bottom for second inversion diminished. You can hear this is wanting to go down chromatically. You can also hear it wanting to go up to major and second inversion. Or sorry, major and first. So one wants to go up, diminished first inversion, wants to go up to major first inversion. Diminished second wants to fall down to major first inversion. I don't know if that helps any of you.
It helps a little bit. I don't know. I can know all this stuff. It helps for sure, but I still just feel like the pressure doesn't make any difference. Like, I'm also just being pessimistic because I'm bummed out that I did worse.
Yeah. Others that you want me to go over?
I guess, I missed minor root for some reason.
Yeah, that one was funny. Well, I don't know. It depends on which one I played. I played them a couple times, but I did a major, A flat major, and then I followed it up with an A flat minor. And a lot of you missed it, and I thought a lot of you would get like a freebie there. Evenly stacked, no fourths.
I don't remember what I chose there. I think I chose, I heard a major, or not a major, a minor first or something. I don't know why I chose that.
And it might have been just you second guessing yourself, yeah?
Yeah, it's possible. I'm also just really not a good test taker. I've always been bad at taking tests. Throughout my entire life of schooling, I've just done bad at tests.
You're not alone, Connor.
Yeah,
happens to some
I'm not.
I admit I struggle with it too.
Yeah, it's not easy.
You know that first inversion is Phantom of the Opera.
Right. Minor is probably what I struggle with least.
Second inversion is Weezer.
Actually, a time I wanted to message you saying hip hip in chat during the during the test. was like, I'll just keep myself reserved though. It's save the comedy.
It's also the Broadway Fiddler on the Roof.
Second version or first?
Second version.
Okay.
First is Phantom.
Right. I was thinking mixed up. I got that mixed up and thought that Fiddler on the Roof was first version, but then I was like, okay, hold on, let me listen for Weezer.
Yeah. All right. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Remember who you were and what you stood for, and we'll see you Monday or Tuesday.
All right. Have a good weekend, Bascom. Oh, don't forget, there's a Dictation 9 that's due tonight as well, if you didn't do it on Sunday.
Yeah, Dictation 9 and then 10 is this weekend.
Yeah. Should probably mention that in an announcement or something. I don't know. Because I know some people just don't pay attention to to-do lists and stuff.
I got
didn't used to.
Dictation 9 taken care of from me.
Yeah. I did that on Sunday because I didn't see a due date and I was like, I don't know if I'm supposed to do this or not. I'm just gonna do it.
Yeah.
Anyways.
So I mentioned it last time in class. So yeah, I did put that up again so it shows up in your guys' feed.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Have a good weekend, Bascom.
See ya.
I'll try and work on these inversions and triads
Okay.
and see if I can improve.
Have a good weekend, Dr. B.
You too. Bye.
All right, later, y'all.